How to fix Commonwealth Bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Commonwealth Bank card declined. So sometimes when your card says that your card has been declined, it'll most probably give you the reason as to why it has declined. So in some cases, it'll say insufficient funds. If that says, simply log into your Commonwealth Bank app on your mobile device. Now, once you've done that, simply go to your accounts, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, check your available balance and your recent transactions. Now, once you've done that, your problem may be solved if your problem is insufficient funds. But sometimes it may also be because that you have crossed your daily spend limit or your daily cash limit or your monthly limits whatsoever. So simply check your card status and limits. You can do so by simply going to the card, going to options, and then simply checking out the details of your card. Now, you should also check for possible reasons for the decline. Now, the most common reasons include insufficient funds, transaction limit reach, which both we have covered. The other may be incorrect PIN entered. So let's say if your PIN is 1234, and sometimes when you're trying to tap the card or use the card, you enter 1235. Now, this may be one of the reasons as to why your card is declined. After that, make sure your card is unlocked. If you're tapping with a locked card, it will definitely show declined. And also check the expiry date of your card. If your card is expired, you cannot use it anymore, and that the merchant doesn't accept your card. Now, the quick fixes you can try is basically checking your account balance, checking or increasing your card limits, unlocking your card if it is locked, updating your card details if it is expired, or using the wrong credentials, and trying a different payment methods. Now, if needed, you can simply increase your credit limit, unlock your card, and try your payment again, and most probably your payment will go through this time. So that is basically how you fix your card decline on Commonwealth Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.